This is past Tape Hill, 34,000 feet. Right into the sun, oh my god. Right, let's go to the front of my house now. Some more footage. It's an Atlas Air Boeing 747 just passing south of Cambridge. Don't know how accurate the exact location of this is. Saying it's now over Trumpington at 34,000 feet. Grantchester, 34,000 feet. Whew. Hold on a second. It's 38 times. Can hear it. It's 70 times zoom. That is 15 times zoom. Right, let's show you where that is on a map. It's heading west across Cambridge at the moment. So, almost over Grafton Water when I stopped filming. And that was that flight, Atlas Air, going from Frankfurt to El Paso. How about that? Don't think I've seen a plane going to El Paso before, not that I can recall. 45 minutes to get past Cambridge from Frankfurt. Boeing 747 N464MC, 34,000 feet, track 295, speed 556 miles an hour, and there's the hex code. Right, okay, thank you for watching. Let's just have one more quick look at all the info. Right, thanks for watching.